You weren't born to blend in. You weren't born to live small. You weren't born to shrink yourself just to make other people comfortable. There is a fire inside you that refuses to die. A fire that keeps burning even when the world feels heavy. Even when your mind is tired. Even when your heart is carrying more than it should. That fire is your proof. Proof that you're meant for more. Proof that you're built for something bigger than the life you've lived so far. Proof that your story isn't finished, it's just getting started. Listen closely. Your struggle is not a sign of weakness. Your struggle is a sign of growth. Growth doesn't feel good. Growth doesn't feel easy. Growth feels like pressure, like resistance, like friction. But pressure creates strength. Resistance builds power. Friction shapes diamonds. Every setback you've survived. Every disappointment you've carried. Every moment you thought about giving up but did. Those moments are not failures, they are foundations. They are the bricks of the person you're becoming. They are the proof that you don't quit. They are the proof that you rise. You're not behind, you're not late, you're not failing, you're evolving, you're leveling up. You're stepping into a version of yourself that you've never met before. A version that is stronger, a version that is wiser, a version that is more disciplined, more focused, more resilient. That version doesn't break, that version does fold. That version doesn't run from challenges, he walks toward them. He understands that the path to greatness is not comfortable. He understands that the journey requires sacrifice. He understands that the world doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you fight for. So keep moving, even if it's slow, even if it's quiet, even if nobody sees the work you're putting in. Your progress is real, your effort is real, your transformation is real. Every step counts, every rep counts. Every early morning and every late night counts. Your time is coming, your breakthrough is coming, your moment is coming. And when it arrives, everything you went through will make sense. Every sacrifice, every setback, every tear, every doubt, it will all connect, it will all align, it will all reveal why you had to go through what you went through. Because you were built for more, you were built for greatness, you were built to rise. Not someday, not eventually, but now, right now, in this season of your life, in this chapter of your story, in this moment where everything inside you is shifting, stand tall, breathe deep. And remember who you are. You are not average, you are not ordinary, you are not replaceable. You are becoming the strongest version of yourself. And nothing, absolutely nothing, can stop that. Not fear, not doubt, not your past, not your mistakes, not the opinions of people who don't understand your vision. You are rising, you are growing, you are transforming, and the world is about to see a version of you they've never seen before. Keep going. Your future is waiting.